Final thoughts. As a logistics coordinator, it is essential to stay organized and maintain high efficiency while managing any organization's daily operations. Developing strong communication skills, keeping up to date with industry trends, and staying up to date on the latest technology can help improve your performance in this role. Knowing how to monitor progress, measure success, and make necessary adjustments can help ensure your organization runs smoothly. In short, logistics coordinators are essential to the success of any business. So if you think you have what it takes to take on this exciting role, go for it. Thank you for watching this guide. We hope it has helped you better understand the role of a logistics coordinator. Good luck on your future endeavors. Disclaimer: Frate Chain provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional advice. You should always consult a freight shipping expert before making any decisions.